Sat in my car for a good 20 minutes. I was like, I don't know if I'm about to get out. My wedding dress is here. Water bottle. You can hear my engine purring.
Trouble, you see.
You want a veil with your dress? Working out is not about motivation. It's about habit. What's up, y'all? Happy Vlogmas. I know I've been gone. Don't get at me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley. If you've been here already before, you already know what's going on, family. Make sure you are subscribed, please. Thank you very much. 10 days away. I barely got Christmas gifts. What's up? I have a lot to still do. Oh my God, I gotta order so much today. Also, it is 6:54 in the morning. I just got to the gym. I'm running super duper behind today, and that is my Wednesday at work. I feel like grave shift has its ups and downs for me. I'll have it where I'm like, oh my God, I love being at work, blah 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 blah, and then I'll have my time. I'm like, God damn, I feel like it's going so slow. Like I don't know how much of grave I can keep doing, and I'm at the back at the peak where I'm like, oh my God, it's going by so fast, and like it's just like weird. It's like such a hit or miss, just because the schedule is already weird, and it's just it's a different vibe. I didn't record it yesterday, but I should have. I did an intense high energy workout, got my butt kicked, got through it though, and honestly those are the workouts that really proved to me working out is not about motivation, it's about habit, because I did not want to be here. I drove all the way to the gym, sat in my car for a good 20 minutes, I was like, I don't know if I'm about to get out. I got out, I got my workout in, and you just gotta get stuff done sometimes. Also, we got our wedding venue, so snaps to that. We just put our deposit down. Sunday is in Napa. That's where it's gonna be at. We still have to get invitations out this week, so we've been busy. I kind of took a minute off of Vlogmas because I needed to get wedding stuff done, Christmas stuff done, life stuff done. So I'm glad to be back. I missed you guys. I'm back. I'm ready to get back on my streak. Thank you for being so patient with me. Hi, new followers. Thanks for following me, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I want to get back into doing apartment hunting videos and other things because I know that's what you guys really come for, and I love apartment hunting. Thanks for bearing with me. I'm gonna stop talking. You already know what time it is. Time to be nasty. Let's go. Water bottle. I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Maybe I'm acting, you feel me up, but now I'm stepping out. But I don't want you around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you. I don't want girl, but I got things to do. It's so much to be your boyfriend. And you ain't making this much easier. And I used to be your best friend. See me blowing up. Don't act like I'm average. You want me home. Get you what you want. Superstar status. You tell me no. Maybe I'm back. If you don't want you waiting too long. See that time? I'll work tonight. I'm gonna try to be in bed by 2. I guess we're going to try to be in bed by 2 because we both have to work. He is got in the oven right now, his ground turkey meatballs. I am gonna be doing, I think it's called Aglio E Olio or something like that pasta. I'm gonna start off by cutting up my garlic. thank you for your patience again, you guys, because I know I've been gone for a minute, but me and my fiance literally are planning a wedding in less than 6 months. That was when we started. Now we're less than 3 months down, and we literally just booked our venue this past Sunday. So like, that's how fast things are going. We still need to get out invitations, etc, etc. And I'm so excited because it is currently 9:19 in the morning. It is December 16th, and so much is going on. Christmas is next week, but okay. My wedding dress is here, so I'm currently about to drive to Alameda, California, go try on my wedding dress and see what alterations I need. I don't think I need too much, thank God, but I'm gonna go to the shop that I got my dress from, see what they're talking about, what alteration prices, and then see if I want to shop around to other shops as well for alterations. So I'm getting my butt on this freeway. My sister may be joining us, so we always like when it's a C-star moment. She's the only one besides my mom that knows what my wedding dress truly looks like as well. Nobody else does, and we'll know until my wedding. So let's get on this road. Let's get our butts across this bridge. I got off this morning from work. Haven't slept yet. Don't know how I'm so alive, but it is what it is. All right, you guys. I'm rolling if you can't hear this engine. Okay, you can't hear my engine purring. I'm gonna see you guys once we get to the dress shop. Of course, I can't show you guys what my dress looks like, but we're still going for the vibes, right?
Santa, tell me if you really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year.
You want a veil with your dress? Oh.
You want to see a little baby?
So pretty.
You be the first one with a flower girl with a veil.
Oh my God. You're like, yeah.
See it?
Okay, but look in the mirror, baby. You don't look up, you look in the mirror. Say thank you, Jen. Isn't that so pretty?
You're welcome.
Good job. Let's go. Bye-bye, my little one.
Where are you going?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Hen, please. Thank you. Okay, let's go find mommy.
Mommy.
You got a donut now, a cake pop? Thank you, baby.
People wouldn't have to take off or anything you've been with.
All right.
And can recover.
Bye. Yeah. Oh, you just wanted to touch it. We're not Anna. She's just calling out names, babe.
You want a napkin? Let me see your cake pop. Wow. It's a reindeer.